Hi everyone, welcome to Shamel Budgeting Demo. On the project page, navigate to one of your projects and hit Create Budget. You can choose your template. Let's go with the standard template, and we recommend importing from a schedule to benefit from all the information you have there from cast, locations, props, and many other elements. Hit Next. We have our shoot days, 45 days, and that's based on the schedule. Let's choose our shoot year, location, and let's say an estimated budget of $3 million. And check the applicable guilds for this specific project and hit Create. We have our budget here. Let's check our assumptions. We can see that we already have the proper tiers that this project falls under, and that's reflected in the globals, where we can find the proper rates for different positions for this specific project. The same goes for our fringes. And all this is already incorporated in the budget. So if I go to my production staff, let's check our UPM, I'll find that this individual is scheduled for 9 weeks with the proper rate and the fringes applicable to him as well. In addition to this, Shamel pulls a list of different elements from your schedule to the budget. That includes your cast, background actors, props, animals, weapons, locations as well. Let's go and check our cast members. If I go to my principal cast, I'll find a list of my cast members with the amount of days they work from the schedule, with the proper rate and the fringes as well. You can change the view of your budget based on your production needs. You're able to create different versions of this budget and adjust the assumptions as well. You can also add a contingency. Usually there's a standard 10% applies to the budget, and you can adjust that, as well as the credit to your budget. In this case, we have a New Jersey tax credit based on our location that we inputted into this budget. For a detailed walkthrough, please check our Shamel budgeting tutorial. Thank you.